I also want to show you our blow molding machine assembly workshop. This is a 30-liter sparky blow molding machine ordered by our Colombia customer, and as you can see, they are under assembly right now. Those are our HDPE panel blow molding machine ordered by our domestic customer. Those are toilet seat blow molding machine ordered by our Brazil customer. This is a customized automotive air duct blow molding machine ordered by our Slovakia customer, and they are supplying for Tesla. This is a flower point blow molding machine ordered by our Russia customer.
We could sell out.